Now, police identified the suspect using their own resources, but still they give credit to citizens across Tulsa who tried to help. 2 News reporter Brandon Richards shows us why police say the citizens' involvement was not in vain. Brandon?
Well, Russ, the police chief says over the last few weeks, the task force received a lot of tips from citizens, and based on some of the information citizens were able to provide investigators, police able to stumble upon crimes that otherwise might have gone unnoticed. And it's pretty simple to see how involved citizens have been over the last few weeks. All you have to do is log on to social media. Visit one of the Alert Neighbors Facebook pages, for instance. And there you can see people talking about the investigation, pointing out suspicious behavior they notice in their neighborhoods. And even with the serial attack suspect identified and now no longer a threat, crime experts say it's important that that level of citizen involvement and awareness continues.
We need them to keep being vigilant, keep calling in, keep being aware, keep locking your doors and windows and turning on the lights and calling the police. You know, we can catch a lot and stop a lot of crime if we all work together.
And the Crime Prevention Network says over the last few weeks they've received a lot of calls and a lot of emails from folks interested in starting their own neighborhood watch programs. And they say it's really simple. They say all anyone has to do is just keep a close eye on what's happening in their neighborhood and then report any suspicious activity to police. We're live in downtown tonight. Brandon Richard, 2 News works for you.